It is with great sadness that we do mark the 20th anniversary of the day that 4 young Australians gave their lives in service to their country. Midshipman Megan Pelly, a mere 22 at the time. Petty Officer Sean Smith. Leading Seaman Bradley Meek, again 25. Able Seaman Philip John Carroll, aged 23. They were 4 young people embarking upon promising lives and careers in the Royal Australian Navy. And while the Navy lost 4 significant serving members that day, for those gathered here, you have lost a loved one. The memory of those we lost on that day will continue to help guide Navy's actions in seeking to ensure the safety of our sailors. But importantly today, we solemnly remember and honour the men and women who gave their last full measure of devotion and those who have lived on the scars of this tragedy. Megan, Sean, Bradley, and Philip, you gave your all. The Navy will not forget your lives, nor your service, nor your sacrifice. We will remember them.